Dito, lahat sigurado. Dahil sa SNN, ang mga balita, laging kumpirmado. Mga kumpirmasyon mula sa Megastar. All the news straight from the sources. Lahat kumpirmado. Ito ang SNN. Showbiz News ngayon. Puputok na, tutukan na.
Good morning, Pilipinas! Ako si Kit Rosero at ito ang Philippine History Live. Today, we have a very special guest. Kakausapin ko si Mr. Diego Silang, my one and only hero. Now na!
No one can stop her, rain or shine.
Welcome, viewers. This is PHL. I'm Cassie Rosero, and I'm very excited to tell you that our special guest is finally here, Mr. Diego Silang, in my house. So, hi Mr. Diego Silang.
We look lovely today.
Oh, thank you. I have a very, very wonderful gift for you. Flowers. So Mr. Diego Silang, tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm from Ilocano, but my father was born in Pangasinan. But I was raised in Ilocos.
Oh, Pangasinan, really? Oh my God, I love the longganisas there. It's so sarap, you know. Then I go home, you know, I buy it, and then that's all lang. That's what I do there. So, oh my God, dalhan mo ako. Anyway, enough about me. Let's talk about you. What can you say about yourself?
Well, all I can say is I'm a revolutionary leader.
Intense!
No, really. I was a really revolutionary leader. I joined with the British forces to overthrow the Spanish colony in the northern zone. To create my own, an independent Ilocano nation.
Oh, wow, really? I didn't know that. Tell me more. How did it all start?
My revolt was fueled by grievances stemming from Spanish taxation and abuses. They gave me all the stress.
Interesting. So what made you do this?
I believe in self-government, that the administration and the leader of the Roman Catholic Church and government in the Ilocos region should be invested in and trained, interested in training the Ilocos locals.
Alright, so, wow, you're super proud to be an Ilocano, ah. That's major. Wait, I still don't get it. What happened there? How did it start?
Well, this all started when Spain allied with France during the 7 Years' War. In opposition to Great Britain, the British in response sought to diminish the Spanish Empire. The seizure of Manila by British naval forces in October 1762 and the subsequent surrender of the Spanish Philippines to Britain during the British occupations of the Philippines inspired uprising in the forests of Ilocos Norte and Cagayan, where anti-Spanish sentiments festered.
So, what did you do about this na?
Well, I initially wanted to replace Spanish functionaries in the Ilocos with native officials, and I volunteered to head Ilocano forces against the British. The desperate Spanish administration instead transferred their powers to the Catholic Bishop of Nueva Segovia of Vigan, but unfortunately, they rejected me.
Really? And then, what did you do? They're so mean, ha? But like, oh my God, that's like a no-no in my language.
Well, my group attacked the city and imprisoned the priest. After that, I began an association with the British, who appointed new governor of the Ilocos on their behalf and promised them military enforcement. The British force never materialized.
Wow, I applaud you, like super, ha? You're like the first one in PHL to have like a super serious story.
Maraming salamat.
Kakaibang level ka, Diego, ha? No, it's okay, call me Kitty. kaninang umaga lang ay na-interview ang ating bayani na si Diego Silang. Subalit ngayon ay nabalitaang siya'y patay na. Nandito tayo sa tahanan ni Gabriela Silang, ang asawa ni Diego Silang. Pakinggan natin ang kanyang masasabi tungkol sa trahedyang ito.
Diego Silang was killed by one of his friends, a Spanish Ilocano mestizo named Miguel Vicos, whom church authorities paid to assassinate Silang with the help of Pedro Becbec. He was only 32 years old.
Magandang hapon po.
Magandang hapon.
Ma'am Gabriela, sa trahedyang nangyari po sa inyong asawa, ano pong masasabi ninyo?
Maganda kayo! Maglaban ako para sa asawa ko!
Yun lang po ba?
Oo.
Ito po si Cason Rosero reporting live sa Ilocos.
I plan to take command of the revolt and fight courageously. Because the Spanish sent a strong force against me, I will retreat to Abra and continue the battle, all for my late husband, Diego Silang.
Welcome back, viewers. This is Casiners. Sorry. Magandang hapon, Pilipinas. Isang malungkot na araw dito sa Ilocos. Isang malungkot ba? Sorry! Magandang hapon po, Ma'am Gabriela. Magandang hapon po. Magandang hapon po, Ma'am Gabriela.
Magandang hapon.
Sa narinig po natin trahedya ngayong hapon, ano pong masasabi sa ninyo sa nangyari sa inyong asawa? Magandang hapon po, Ma'am Gabriela.
Magandang hapon.
Sa narinig po natin trahedya ngayong hapon, ano pong masasabi niyo sa tungkol sa inyong asawa?
Maganda kayo!